In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the owner of a Proton Mail account. Proton Mail is known for its emphasis on privacy and security, but sometimes you might need to know who's behind a particular email address. While respecting privacy, there are certain details you can access that may help you identify the owner. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open up Proton Mail. Head over to the site and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the inbox view. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already comfortable with it. You'll see a list of emails in your inbox, ready for you to explore. Next, you'll need to select the email that you want to investigate further. Click on the email to open it. Keep in mind that the subject line and any preview text you see in the inbox could give you a hint about the content or the sender, which might be helpful in your quest to identify the owner. Once you have the email open, direct your attention to the upper part of the email. This is typically where the sender's information is displayed. Look for the section labeled From. This is a key area because it contains the email address of the sender. While the email address alone might not always give away the identity of the owner, it can be a valuable piece of the puzzle. As you examine the From section, you may also notice additional details such as the name associated with the email address if provided by the sender. This information can sometimes give you more context about who the email is from. However, keep in mind that Proton Mail users can choose what information they share, so it may not always be comprehensive. If you're trying to gain further insights into the sender, you might consider doing a bit of detective work outside of Proton Mail. For instance, you can search for the email address online to see if it appears on any public profiles or websites. This might help you connect the dots and identify the owner. However, always respect privacy and legal boundaries when conducting any research. And there you have it, a straightforward way to see the owner of a Proton Mail account. Remember, while it's useful to know who's emailing you, it's important to always respect privacy and use this information responsibly. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.